Hi, my name is Opoluwamisorale. Today, I'm here to talk about one of the solutions I just built that I feel you guys should know about it. Now, earlier last year, there was a lot of buzz around AI, so I decided to take a deep dive into AI to explore the possibilities and how I can use it to equip my career or help humanities in any way possible. I can actually do that. So I tried my hands on a couple of runs, like I tried my hands on LLaMA, running locally on my system. I found out that it's not very good in speaking Yoruba. You can check my previous post on LinkedIn. You can actually see they have my analysis of exactly how I perform when I try to interact with the Yoruba. But I did very well with Spanish and French. After the playing around, I decided to have some more fun. I remember during my master's thesis at Unilag, I worked on a loan predictor solution using basic machine learning models. So this time around, I said, why not incorporate AI into the solution? Let's see how AI perform it compared to machine learning model. Though AI too is a comparison is a big house for machine learning and large language models. So it's part of AI, but I tried to try the other leg of AI, which is large language model. For example, like ChatGPT, they are popular, everybody knows about, or Claude or DeepSeek. They are large language models. So I spread them with the large language models across the world, across the space. Then I came out with some nice discovery. Now, one of the things that I observe is that, so let me explain exactly how the solution work. This is how solution work. It's basically have a data of people that have applied for loans in your location, within your age group, the amount they've applied for, and how the repayments was like, who paid, who did not repay back the loans. So based on the demograph and the data that I have, so I feed that data into the solution, into the model to train it so that I can come out with so you can understand the pattern of how people behave based on location or gender or age or the loan amounts, how they are able to get the amount, how they are able to repay back their loan. So that's just the idea. So this data set, I have people about 35,000 data sets that has people loan repayment history or record. Then with that data set, I train the data sets to feed into the machine learning model so that I can understand the pattern. Then with that pattern, you can now use it to train, to predict people of that age group and gender location, how they will perform as regards payment of their loan. Now, I created the website for this. You can check it down in the link below. So the website basically shows my results and the performance I was able to that I got from the analysis of the real products. Now, what's the business case for this and who is this useful for? Basically, for people that are actually giving out loans to people, it's useful for them. So they can actually now incorporate AI with their loan officer. A loan officer is a person that actually review people's loans and decide who should get the loan and who should not get the loan. In a standard loan organization. So they can have this as an added tool. So after checking people credit score, they can also now check people of that location, like Lagos, Abuja, or people of that age range. Are they 30s, in their 20s or 40s, or people that are getting that amount, or people that are married or single, how do they perform with loan? They can now use an added advantage to AI, equipping them to see exactly how they perform, how people of that age group performed. So they can now use that to make a decision whether to give the person a loan or not. As one in the loan industry, default is a big case, because when people default, money is being lost and resources that are used for something else is being wasted. So this is an added advantage added to make the process better. So this is we incorporating AI solution, large language models, to help the solution move freely and easily. Now, it's an open source project, so the source code is available in the link below. You can have access to the source code. You can have access to the data set, part of the data set actually. You can have access to exactly how the architecture work. So you can play around with it and let me get your feedback as regards to it. So I'm hoping to improve the solution. Probably also partner with people that could help in access a better data, or also train with credit score. So based on this data, it's easier to actually give an added advantage for people that are giving out loans in Nigeria, so that we cannot deny people that actually need access to these loans. We don't deny them loans. Give them loans to people that actually perform better based on those data sets that we have. So that's what the solution is all about. It's called R Factor. It's one of my first projects I'll be doing this year. That's here for first quarter. But for second quarter, I'm thinking of doing an iPass store, or basically a solution that takes data from teachings of people or teachings of people, then use that to form a kind of a model that you can have conversation with them. So a lot of ideas I'm thinking around using AI with. For me, it's just a playtime actually. So playtime and having fun with AI, seeing exactly how it goes from here, and also looking for a way to ride with the tide of what's happening in the world. Make sure that people in Africa or Nigeria are not left out. Let's just have fun with it. Let's see exactly what solutions we can bring about, and how we too can actually use the solution to impact our country or the world as a whole to make it a better place. So to me, it's all about experimenting, making the world a little bit better. That's just I don't have to make it perfect, just make it a little bit better. So that's exactly what I'm working on with some other guys that are working along with me. Thank you for your time, and hope to see you probably next quarter where I could have worked on another AI solution. I don't know which of them I'll work on now, just to experiment and get more familiar with it. Thank you for your time, guys. See you. Bye.